What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to add an outro to your live stream, because let's say that you're done live streaming but you don't want to like cut it off short and for example like go to black instantly. You can also add in an outro so people tuning in know that it's also the end of the live stream. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, so if you guys are excited, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new. I would say let's get started right after the intro. So right now I would like to introduce you guys to Ooyy.tv, the ultimate website to get your resource for live streaming, whether it's overlays, alert sounds, panels, stinger transitions, sub emotes, sub badges, bit badges, website for streamers, an avatar maker. Everything that you need to get started live streaming is on this website. No matter if you're looking for streaming overlays, gaming overlays itself, talking overlays, webcam overlays, stream panels, stream banners, these panels when somebody donates that pops up during your live stream. Everything is on this website, guys. They have a ton of excellent ranked reviews on Trustpilot as well. Everything comes in high quality that you can download right away, guys. It is really cool. Check the link in the description. Start downloading today and improve your live streams. Now let's continue with the video. Alright guys, so now that we are in Twitch Studio, we're going to insert an outro for our live stream as well. I also uploaded the video about how to insert an intro for your live stream. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure to check out the link in the description where you can watch that video, or check out this card right here. But for now, I'm going to show you how to insert an outro. So first of all, you want to create, for example, like thanks for watching, or like the end, or anything that you can imagine when you hear the word outro. Create that into a video, add in a little music or anything like that in your video editing software, export it out, and then we can go ahead and insert that one into Twitch Studio. So right now we want to make a separate scene for that, because we're not going to insert it right here because this is our actual stream scene. So we're going to click on primarily, and then we're going to click on this plus icon, and then we're going to create a new scene, because as you can see I also have one for an intro. We're going to also make one for an outro. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to rename this, and I'm just going to call this outro. Okay, so now we're going to click on here, and then we're going to click on this plus icon in the layer section, and we're going to click on media. So then on the very right we see this select a media file. So I'm going to hit browse, and we're going to select the file that we have exported as our outro. Pick our thanks for watching outro that I created. It's like a 13-second outro. So then we're going to double click on it, and we're going to hit select. We are going to drag this into the top left corner, and we're going to stretch this all the way across the screen. So this is basically what it looks like, guys, when you actually switch to this scene. Right now this outro will play, and that is how you can also end off your stream, like not like really like all of a sudden cut to black, but also have like a nice outro. It is that simple. If you want to see a video on how to insert an intro in Twitch Studio, make sure to check out the link in the description. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to go ahead and check out Ooyy.tv for all the assets that you need in terms of like live streaming and all that. Thanks a lot for them for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button down below and subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you guys obviously in my next video.